Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and if you have ever wanted to outsource your lawn care to a robot, this is going to be the video for you. This is a foolproof way to get perfect yard, perfect grass all the time. This is easy, super simple to set up. It's gonna work by running a wire around the perimeter of your yard, using app control and some of the latest and greatest technology around to make sure that your yard stays flawless and you don't have to lift a finger. Let's go ahead and check it out right about now. Setting this up was way easier than I expected. You just lay the boundary wire around your yard, secure it with the included stakes, and plug it into the base. It's a true DIY install, and everything you need is right there in the box. Once that's done, you're going to scan the QR code to download the YARDCARE app. It only takes a few seconds, and now you've got full control of your mower right from your phone. This robot is designed for lawns up to 4,300 square feet. And it's powered by a brushless motor for efficient, long-lasting performance. It's also really quiet. You can let it run during the day or the evening without disturbing the neighbors or your family. And it's totally customizable. You just turn this little knob to choose your cutting height between 0.8 and 2.4 inches, depending on your type of lawn. Plus, check this out. It handles even dense patches of grass like a champ. The 3 rotating blades give it a clean, even cut every time. Look at that. Short, clean, and super fine. Perfect for natural mulching. And one of my favorite features, it charges itself automatically. When the battery drops below 20%, it returns to the charging station all on its own. No need for you to lift a finger. And don't worry about the weather. The E400 is weatherproof with an IPX5 rating and even has a rain sensor, so it knows when to pause mowing and stay dry. Safety is a big deal here. If the mower detects something in its path, like a toy or a hose or even your foot, it just reroutes. It also has a lift sensor that immediately stops the blades if it's picked up, plus an emergency stop button on top for added peace of mind. Here's what you get in the box. The mower, the charging dock, the power adapter, the boundary wire, stakes, wire connectors, and of course a user manual with that handy QR code. To recap, the YARDCARE gives you coverage for lawns up to 500 square meters, adjustable cutting height, auto charging when the battery drops below 20%, obstacle detection, and of course safety sensors, and smart app control from anywhere. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and learning all about this fantastic product. This is one of my secrets for making sure that I keep my lawn flawless while I don't have to do any work. Stop paying a lawn care crew. Get one of these robots that can do it for you. I'm going to leave all of the information and links and everything in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and get to shopping. This is the perfect grad gift, perfect dad gift, and it's going to make your summer so much better. You can actually spend time doing things that you love with your family instead of just maintaining your lawn. Let this little guy do it for you. I absolutely love this. I know that you guys are gonna love it as well. That's why I'm asking you to go ahead and of course, get to shopping. Check out all those links. Adios amigos.